Happy National Heroes Day. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Natalie Smith, and today we're diving into something truly epic, Jamaica's 7 national heroes. Every year on the 3rd Monday of October, we celebrate the heroes who shaped Jamaica into what it is today. I'm about to break down the incredible stories of these heroes, so stick around. Oh, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Trust me, this is one history lesson you don't want to miss. So what exactly is National Heroes Day? Well, it's a chance for us to celebrate some seriously amazing Jamaicans who shaped the country. I'm talking about real-life heroes, no capes required. These folks literally changed the game. Which Jamaican hero do you think should have a movie made about them?